Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be checking out what's inside this ALLBEAUTY, I think it's a detox beauty box. So I got sent this, you know, I work with the blogger program and ALLBEAUTY happened to be on there, and they have this box that they want people to have a look at. So that's what we're going to do today. It did turn up yesterday and I had like I had to try like so hard not to actually open it because it has like this nice little paper over it. So obviously I couldn't have any sneak peeks in here without ripping this paper like I just did. So first thing I see is a 25% off code for, is that Versace, whatever you want to say. Actually, I'm not going to use it, so there you go. And then you've got a extra 20% off the organic pharmacy with that code. So there we go. Oh, you actually get quite a lot in here. And then that is what the box looks like. Just chuck that back in there like that. So that is what the box looks like. I have no idea what sort of items we're going to be getting. And I have no idea like how good this box is going to be. So this just says, great to have you on board. Please drop us a line if you have any questions. Best regards, the ALLBEAUTY team. So the first thing that I see is a DETOX Paris Aroma Comfort Moisturizing Body Milk. Now I don't know like how many of these products are going to be cruelty free, so I'm going to be able to use them. But any that aren't, I'm probably just going to be going to my sister or my mum. So this is just a light and easy to apply moisturiser. Apply after a bath or shower. What does it smell like? It doesn't really smell of anything. But there's that. So we've got a Calvin Klein Obsessed for Women perfume sample. I don't think I've ever like smelled this anyway. Hey, that's pretty nice. I don't like these tiny little samples though. I wish like we just got a little bit more. Just a wee bit more. So then we got that. Oh, we have another perfume sample, but this is Versace Pour Homme Dylan Blue, which I assume is for guys. So that's what that looks like. I'm not even going to spray that. We're just going to give this to Bobby. Then we have a Regenerate Enamel Science Advanced Toothpaste. Okay, I wasn't expecting a toothpaste in this box, but that's what we've got. This says free sample, not for sale on it. Wow. So, what does it say? Acts on early invisible stages of enamel erosion to help regenerate enamel by restoring its mineral content and micro hardness with regular use. So I don't know how many uses I'm going to get out of this little toothpaste. I wonder what it smells like. I'm going to have to open it up and find out. Oh, it's just like minty like any other toothpaste is. Oh my god, it's glittery. I don't know if you can see that. You need to though. Like this toothpaste is glittery. Really badly glittery. It's actually like really cute. Oh my god, I love it. It's like a glitter toothpaste. I'm gonna try and show you that even better at some point, but until then, we'll keep going through. So we've got a Manuka Doctor Overnight Lavender Mask. What? So I've heard Sean talk about Manuka Doctor so much, and they use like bee venom or something in their products. So this is the Overnight Lavender Mask. As I said, it says wake up to visibly hydrated, smooth, luminous skin with Manuka honey and floral nectar. So what does it do? Apply to freshly cleansed dry skin at night before bed. Okay, so it's like a night mask. As always, I just want to smell it. I want to know what it smells like. Let me in. I cannot get in. So this is what it looks like, and yeah, it's got a little pump. I just want to smell it. I don't want to like Oh, there we go. There's a little bit that's just come out. Okay, it doesn't really smell of anything, and it's like completely clear. You can't see it at all. But I can't wait to try that out if it is cruelty free. Then I can use it, you know. Then we've got a Lime and Dandy handmade soap from Bomb Cosmetics. So I've used a couple of their soaps before. I've had some of their bath bombs. They're actually like really cute. And this is lime and lemongrass in here. So that's cute. I don't really use like solid soaps that often. I'm more of like a liquid soap kind of person. So now we have a sample packet. This is some argan oil shampoo from Novex. It's the #1 seller in Brazil apparently. So this just says apply to wet hair, massage gently, rinse well, repeat process if necessary. So my hair, as you guys know, is like pretty dry, pretty damaged. So maybe that will like help it out. It's actually like struggling to see my hair at the minute because everything's just so dark. So we've got 2 products left. We've got a Gatineau Paris Perfection Ultim. It's a retexturizing beauty cream. So there's that. But it's like, I don't know if you can tell, but that's like half full. Like I can see while holding it up in the light that it's only full up to there. So this says apply morning and or evening over the face and neck. But I really don't know how much use I'm going to get out of a product that seems already half full anyway. But there's no seal on it this time. Again, it doesn't really smell of anything. There's a lot of cream that just doesn't smell of anything. I like smelly products. And then the last item we have is in this little jar, and it's from the Organic Pharmacy. Wait, I had something about this. The Organic Pharmacy on the back of here, we have like a code, don't we? So this is the Detoxifying Seaweed Bath Soak, but it's like solid. Ooh. So I don't know if you can see that. It kind of looks like a handful of gemstones or something. But you've got like seaweed and I guess salt. But it smells really good, and obviously I don't want to pour it everywhere. It's just like this little jar. What does this say? A potent detoxifying salt soak infused with seaweed and juniper. So sprinkle 2 large spoonfuls in water and relax. So that's going to be pretty cool to try out. But that is everything that came in the box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in this box, and the whole theme is supposed to be like detoxing, and I think like it's hit the mark really. Especially like I really want to try out this seaweed stuff. Obviously I'm gonna have to check if everything is like cruelty free or not, but if not, as I said, I can just give it to my family, give it to my sister, give it to someone that will actually use it. Oh yeah, we got the soap and the Novex stuff. But ALLBEAUTY's website, I will link in the description for when these boxes actually come out. I don't think they are out as of yet, but it's a really cool idea and you get so many products in here. So I just want to say a huge thank you to the guys at ALLBEAUTY who decided to send me this. I'm definitely going to enjoy like finding out whether I can use these items. And if I can, I will let you guys know what I think of them. Specifically, I'm excited to try out the Manuka Doctor mask and the Organic Pharmacy little seaweed salt thing. It's like really tempting to sit here and just shake it. But yeah, all of these products are obviously a lot cheaper to get when you get it in this box. You're saving yourself a little bit of money. But the boxes are, well, they might be up on the website now, but if they're not, keep your eyes open. They will be coming, I promise, guys. But yeah, there's a lot of packaging. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you guys want to see me like review some more subscription boxes, then let me know. I did do the Love Me Beauty bag. I've done the pink parcel. And now we've done the All Beauty box. But yeah, if you want to see me do more subscription boxes, just let me know and I will try and get my hands on some. But I do hope you enjoyed today's video and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So after looking up some of the brands, guys, I believe I can use the Manuka Doctor. Obviously, I can use the soap. The perfumes should be fine. They're just perfume samples. I don't think I can use this cream, but as I said, it's like half full anyway. So I'm not too worried about that. But the body milk I should be able to use as well. And I should be able to use the little seaweed salt thing. So I'm really happy about that. I was just like, I want to know what I can use, man. And yeah, turns out I can use pretty much the majority of the stuff in this box, guys. So it just made it even better.